In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the unpaid bills report in QuickBooks Online. This report is really helpful for keeping track of what you owe to vendors and making sure you're on top of your cash flow. So, we'll walk through it slowly and clearly. First, start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. From that menu, click on the option labeled Reports. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the built-in reports related to your business finances, including accounts payable, accounts receivable, profit and loss, and more. Once you're on the reports page, you're in the right place to find the unpaid bills report. Near the top of the reports page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search field and begin typing unpaid bills. As you type, QuickBooks will start suggesting matching reports. When you see unpaid bills or unpaid bills report appear in the list, click on it to open the report. This report shows all bills that you've entered into QuickBooks but haven't fully paid yet, so you can quickly see who you owe, how much, and when those bills are due. Once the unpaid bills report opens, take a moment to adjust the report period so the information is actually useful for you. At the top of the report, look for the date range or report period drop-down. Click it and choose the time frame you want to review. For example, you might pick this month, last month, this year, or set a custom date range if you only want to see unpaid bills for a specific span of time. After you select the period, make sure the report refreshes so it reflects the new dates. If you need more control over what you see, look for the Customize button, usually located near the top right of the report. Click Customize to open additional options. Here, you can refine the report by vendor, due date, status, or other filters, and even choose which columns and details you want displayed. This is especially useful if you only want to focus on certain vendors, specific terms, or particular types of bills. When you're done customizing, run the report again, review the list of unpaid bills, and you'll have a clear picture of what needs to be paid and when, all directly inside QuickBooks Online.